Hello, my dear students. Welcome in computer class. This is your week number 5, and I'm your teacher, Bilal Ahmed. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn about input. Okay, this is the lesson number 3 and input, page 10 to 11. Now look at the two pages from 10 to 11. Write the date. Today was 30/9/2020. Let's begin our lesson. Today we discussed about what input is. Okay, what is the input? And after, what devices are for inputs. Okay, what devices are for inputs. So in your last class, you learned about output. Okay, you learn about printer, monitor, speakers, headphones, and okay, so these devices are output, but today you will learn about input. Now I'm going to play the video about input devices. You have to watch and learn about inputs. So here is the video about input.
In a computer, an input device is typically a hardware equipment used to send data and instructions to the computer. Let's look at some common input device. Keyboard is a typewriter-like device which has keys to send input to computer. It is used to type in letters, numbers, and commands to the computer. Mouse is the most common pointing device. It is held by hand and is used to control the cursor or pointer on the monitor. It has 2 or 3 buttons to draw or play games on the computer. For a laptop, a touchpad is used instead of mouse. Joystick is another pointing device which is used to play games on the computer. Microphone or mic is used to record voice, music, or sound in the computer. Mic is connected to a sound card in a computer which converts our audio to digital sound. Digital camera or webcam is used to capture pictures or videos and then store them on your computer. A scanner works like a photocopier machine. It converts any text or images on a paper into an electronic form. Scanner comes in various sizes from small handheld scanner to flatbed scanner to fast drum scanner. There are some special scanners like OMR or Optical Mark Reader which can recognize mark made by pen or pencil and are used to check answer sheets which have multiple choice questions. Many scanners also come with OCR or optical character recognition which can convert images or printed document to editable text on computer. Touch screens are very common today in tablets and smartphones. By means of finger or light pen, input can be passed to the computer. Barcode readers are typically found in shops or retail outlets. It beams a laser light which can be used to read the barcoded data which gives the information about the product such as its name, price, etc. to computer. Many credit cards, security cards have a magnetic strip on the back. This strip has the user data encoded on the strip and is read by the machine.
Okay, so this video about the input. I hope you understand the input devices. Okay, input devices take the information and send to the computer, right? By electrical signals. Okay, so as you know, this is the computer and okay, so this is the computer And there are computer components: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. And we also call it in the short form CPU. Okay, so what is the user? Can you see this man? He is writing. Okay, so the man have lot of ideas. Okay, so the man is using the mind and write on the computer and send information to the computer. So what is the user? A person, a man who use the computer. Okay, what is the user? When you use computer, so you will be the user. Okay, because you are giving information to the computer what to do. Okay, for example, you are writing numbers, so the computer will follow your information and then save inside the computer. So you will be the user. How user tell the computer what to do? Okay, for example, look at this man. So what to do? Okay, how user tell the computer what to do? Think about it. You need electricity? No, because electricity is dangerous. We cannot touch the inside computer parts because there is electricity. So what we need to do? We need input devices. Okay, we need input devices that help us to send information to the computer. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is input. An input device takes user input and then it turns into electrical signals to the computer. Okay, when you write from the keyboard, okay, when you type from the keyboard, the computer will convert, okay, change into electrical signals and then tell the computer what to do. So you need a keyboard. Okay, so you can write numbers, you can tell the computer, you write numbers, write alphabets, write letters, or different commands. So this is the input device. An input device takes user input, take your information, and then turn into electrical signals to the computer. Okay, let's look at the input devices. First of all, keyboard. Keyboard help us to send information to the computer. You can write. Okay, this is the input device, a pointer device that help to change different things. Okay, you can select and click on the computer. And touch screen. When you touch on the screen, so you will tell that you will give information to the computer to do this thing. So you can use touch screen and microphone. Okay, so the microphone help us to send voice to the computer. Okay, so in keyboard, mouse, touch screen, and microphone are input devices because these devices are help us to send information to the computer by electrical signals. Okay, what device is used to input song to the computer? If you want to send song to the computer, what you gonna use? Now, there is speakers and there is a microphone. If you want to send your voice to the computer, so you have to use microphone. because microphone is an input device and the speakers are output device. So you have to choose input. Now look at the more input devices that help us to send information to the computer. Now first of all, there is a keyboard, mouse, trackball, scanner, digital camera, webcam, joystick, and microphone. These devices are input devices that help us to send information to the computer. So anything goes inside the computer, you will call that device input device, okay? And when you take output from the computer, like printer, speakers, monitor, so you will call them output devices. Okay, so what is your homework? Your homework is easy. Okay, draw a device that has a touch screen. Okay, make a device, draw a device on the notebook that has touch screen, like your mobile phone, like tablet, iPads. Okay, so these devices are touch screens devices, and show yourself in the picture using touchscreen and show the picture that you are using the finger on the touch screen. So after, you have to tell me the name of this device. You have to tell me the name of that device. I hope you understand today's lesson about input and output. Anything you write, okay, anything you send information to the computer, the device will be input. And when you receive or when you take output from the computer, so it will be output. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.